Okay, so this is the 8-piece, sorry, I have it the wrong way, pantry organizer. It's 4 big drawers and 4 small drawers. Blech, I can't talk. It is by Utopia Home. I love these things. I love an organizer. I love it. So this is the small size and this is the large size. So I will show you. I used them, excuse me. I used them both in the fridge. Got a nice little produce drawer in there. And, I mean, you can use them anywhere. I also use them down here for all of our, you know, we have kids, so lunch, snacks, stuff like that. These things are awesome. This is a whole other story. But yeah, I love a clear container. So highly recommend. I don't have any up there. So this is an 8-piece set. It comes with 4 big and 4 small. But you can use these for anything. You could put, you know, makeup, you can put clothes, you can put laundry stuff, whatever you want. Highly recommend.